screws. Meow. Woo, 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 woo. We've got a kitty to save. Hey everybody, we've got a toy that's so big it wouldn't even fit on our table. It's the Paw Patrol Adventure Bay play table. It's just like a train table, but it has the lookout tower and Katie's salon and Mayor Goodway, Captain Turbot,
Hooray!
and Everest. I can't wait to put it together. Are you ready to put it together?
Yay!
Woohoo! Let's do this. What do we need right now?
Scissors.
We do need scissors. And we let Mommy use the scissors, right?
Yeah.
All right. Mama's going to use the scissors and get this box open. All right, we're going to tip it and start cutting all of this tape.
Hooray!
There's a lot of tape here. We always let our parents use the scissors so we don't accidentally get cut, because that would be bad. Woo! It almost tipped over. That would be bad too. We've got all the tape off. Let's lift it and see what's inside.
Hooray!
Woo-hoo! Screws! Well, that's kind of fun. And we need to find all of our pieces. Looks like we're going to need those scissors again. It's all of our character pieces. We've got our vehicles and our characters. Oh, this is so cool. Here's some more vehicles. Let's take a peek at all these characters. We've got a tree. Here is, who's this?
Callie.
That is Callie. I think she gets stuck up in a tree. Who's this?
Katie.
Katie. Very good. She's Callie's owner. Who's this?
Chicoletta. Mayor Goodway.
That is Mayor Goodway. That's Chicoletta's owner. And who's this?
Ryder.
That is Ryder. I should know that, shouldn't I?
Hooray!
And it's a baby whale. Wally. Captain Turbot. Oh, wow. That's really neat. Wally and Captain Turbot. And there is Everest. Here is a gold statue.
Hooray!
That's really cool. And who else do we have? Rubble. Rubble on the double. We'll have to get out all their vehicles. And Sky. We'll get your helicopter out. It's Mr. Porter. Oh, that's so neat. We have Mr. Porter and Mayor Goodway. All these characters that we've never had before. Zuma. Marshall.
Hooray!
And another tree. Now let's get these Pups vehicles out. I need Zuma's vehicle. There it is. Very cool. This is Zuma's vehicle for the new playset. Who has Rubble? Rubble on the double. This is Rubble's bulldozer. I love it. And let's see. We need Rocky's vehicle. Green means go.
Hooray!
Here is his recycling vehicle. And he turn and sit in it like this. And they really roll. Vroom, vroom. I can't wait to get the racetrack out. We need Sky's helicopter. It's her helicopter. And it really works. Oh, that's so cool. And put her in like this. And she's ready to go. Where's Chase? Chase is on the case. There it is. Thank you. This is his police cruiser.
Hooray!
Do you have Marshall? I love it. It's his fire truck. Hey, what's this? It's a boat. It's Captain Turbot's. He can sit right in here on his boat. And here's Wally. This is going to be so much fun. Let's keep getting stuff out of the box. Let's see what's in these boxes. It's It's train tracks. I mean, Paw Patrol tracks. These look just like our Thomas the Train tracks. What do you think's in here? Oh,
It's a road.
it is a bridge and a road. Here's our bridge.
And the bottom of the lookout tower.
This is part of our lookout tower. And the elevator. Wow. Here's some more cool pieces with roads and a playground. Oh, this is part of the table. Paw Patrol is on a roll. And the other side, Paw Patrol is on a roll. This is by Kidcraft. Now let's get this table put together. We've got a lot of building to do. We've got 8 screws here, and we're gonna start putting the table together. So we're gonna pull this up and screw it in right here. Now we're coming over to the other side. Paw Patrol is on a roll. We've got our table together. We've got all our supports in. Now we get to put down the top of the table. This piece goes right here.
Hooray!
And we have the other 2 pieces.
Hooray!
Here's our middle piece. And the last one. Ta-da! We have all our roads. Now it's time to start building up. This is where our lookout tower is going to go. So we have to build it up so we have the rocks. And then we're going to do it over on the other side. And we're going to take this little piece and put it up here. And now we have mountains. We finally finished our lookout tower. Ta-da! Look how tall it is. And now we can put all of our vehicles down here. Let's put all the vehicles in the slots. We've got Chase and Marshall and Rocky. Here's Rubble's vehicle. And we've got Sky, Zuma, very good. And then here is the opening. Rubble on the double. He's going down the slide. And he's hopping in his vehicle. Way to go, Rubble. Now it's Chase's turn. He's gonna get in his vehicle. Woohoo! He made it down the slide. Here comes Marshall. Whee! Good job. He's all fired up. Next it's Rocky. Green means go. Zuma, time to dive on in. He made it down the slide. We're all loaded up. Uh-oh, don't forget Sky. There's Sky. She made it in her helicopter. And here's Ryder. He's gonna go up the elevator. Let me show you how the elevator works. We stick Ryder right in there. And then we take this and we keep turning it. And it lifts the elevator to the top. See how he rises? There we go. Ryder made it all the way to the top. We've got a mission, pups. We've got to finish building Adventure Bay. So let's keep building. We've got the lookout tower all put together, and we've built all of our buildings. See this? Woohoo! We just have to put them on the table and get all of the tracks out. So let's start putting it together. Ta-da! All the tracks and all the buildings are put together. Now, let's put all of our people with their buildings. Here we have the town hall, and we have Mayor Goodway. We also have the statue that sits out in front of town hall. But don't forget Chickaletta. They're looking good. Now over here we've got the railroad station. And we've got our train. and it can drive around in this circle on the railroad tracks. Here it goes. Choo-choo! Chugga chugga! And it drives behind Town Hall and into the railroad station. Very nice.
Hooray!
Now, what's next? Oh, this is cool. This is Everest and Jake's mountain. Here we go. You made it, Everest! Woohoo! And back down. Yay! Everest made it to the top of the mountain. Way to go! But oh no, is that Callie stuck in a tree? It is Callie stuck in a tree. Poor thing. She's over by Katie's grooming salon. Marshall, we need your help. We need a ladder right away. Paw Patrol, we have a mission. Callie's stuck in a tree. I need Marshall. Here he is. Marshall's ready to go. And he's headed on the road. Here he goes. Meow. Woo, 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 woo. We've got a kitty to save. Woo. There goes Marshall. He's going past the lighthouse and off to Katie's. We're here, Callie. Let me get my ladder out. Marshall's getting out of his fire truck and climbing up the ladder. I'll save you, Callie. Don't worry. Do, do, do. They're safely back on the ground. Now let's take Callie over to Katie's place. Oh, Marshall, thank you for bringing Callie home. I was so worried about her. Callie, you naughty kitty, getting up in that tree. No more tree climbing for you. It's time for your bath. Meow! Come back, Callie. Well, let's head over and see Captain Turbot. Here is the lighthouse. And down here we have the sea. And Captain Turbot's boat. Very cool. Here's Captain Turbot. And don't forget Wally. He likes to hang out. And we've got the whale, the baby whale. Safe driving, Captain Turbot.
Hooray!
Make sure you take care of Wally for us. Hi, Wally. Hi, baby whale. Don't get stuck under that bridge. Now, last but not least, we can't forget Mr. Porter. He has all the groceries for Adventure Bay. There you go, Mr. Porter. But I just wanted to share this cool toy with you. If you have any questions, place them in the comments.
Hooray!
And subscribe to my channel for lots more toys. Thanks, guys.
If you had fun with this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel. And join our great Toon Toon Games family.